In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva to make logo for business. 2025, step by step. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Canva. Once you're on the homepage, log into your account so your work saves as you go and you have access to your previous designs and brand assets. After you're in, look for the Create button, click it, then choose Logo as your project type. This opens a square canvas that's perfect for brand marks and makes it easy to keep proportions consistent across platforms like websites, social media, and packaging. If you already have an icon or any brand elements you want to include, go to the Uploads panel on the left, click Upload Files, and choose the image from your device. Once it appears in your library, drag it onto the canvas and resize it using the corner handles. Aim for a clear, simple shape that remains recognizable even when scaled down. Next, add your brand name or tagline. Click to add a text box and type what you want. From the toolbar, customize the font style, size, weight, spacing, and color. Choose fonts that match your brand personality. Clean and modern for tech, elegant for beauty, bold for fitness. Keep readability in mind and avoid using too many different fonts. One for the name and a simpler companion for a tagline usually works best. To set the overall look, adjust the background. Click on an empty area of the canvas to select the background, then use the color picker at the top. Scroll through the options and choose a color that contrasts well with your text and icon. If you have brand colors in mind, try to match them for consistency. Strong contrast ensures your logo stands out on both light and dark surfaces. Canva also offers a quick way to explore ideas with a prompt. Go to the design section and describe your ideal logo. Mention your industry, style, and key elements, then click Generate Design. You'll see a range of options tailored to your description. Choose a result you like and explore it on the canvas. Everything remains editable, so you can tweak fonts, colors, and layout to align with your brand. If the results aren't quite right, refine your prompt and generate again until the direction fits. As you refine, keep spacing balanced, align elements using the guides, and test whether your logo feels clear at smaller sizes. That's it. Simple, flexible, and completely achievable with Canva.